I discovered a sneaky way to earn over $100 a day for free as a complete beginner. And the good thing is that this method works in all the countries around the world. I have done this and tested it out many times, and it works very well. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to gologin.com. I will leave a link to GoLogin in the description of this video. I'm using GoLogin to earn $100 to $200 a day. This is my secret weapon. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that lets you create proxies for any website out there. These proxies will allow you to create and manage multiple accounts on pretty much any website. So you can be from any country like India, Pakistan, Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, UAE, Somalia, or any other Tier 3 countries around the world. Now, even you can access websites using GoLogin that are only available for the top-tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, etc. Not only that, if you are from the United States and you want to access some of the high-paying offers from the United Kingdom or New Zealand, you can still use GoLogin for that. Step number 2. For the purpose of explaining how things work using GoLogin, let's take an example of freecash.com, which is one of the best and legit make-money online websites. You can find different apps and play-to-earn game offers, different surveys to complete, watch videos, and complete other similar tasks to earn money on Freecash. Now, the problem for most of you is that most of the time, they only pay you a few bucks or even pennies for each app you download or offer you complete. Very rarely, you might find apps that pay you a good amount of money, like $50 per app or game offer. And if you depend on these offers only, then it's going to be hard to earn anywhere close to $100 or even $50 per day on Freecash, even if you spend weeks or months completing these small paying offers. You're only going to get stuck with these low-paying offers if you don't use my beginner-friendly secret method that I'm going to show you today. Some high-paying offers available in the United States, UK, or other Tier 1 countries are not available in countries like India, the Philippines, or Russia. Similarly, some high-paying offers that are only available in the United Kingdom are not paying as much in the United States, New Zealand, or Australia. The secret to making $100 a day is to have multiple accounts on the same money-making website like Freecash with the help of GoLogin. As you can see, on my United Kingdom account, I have already earned over £120, whereas on my US account, I have earned $90. So, just like me, if you create multiple accounts using GoLogin, you can also earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per account on any money-earning website like Freecash. In total, you can earn over $100 a day that you can withdraw to your favorite payment method later on. For example, if you love playing this game called the Chaos Cruiser and you've already completed this offer on your Freecash account from your country location and got paid for it, you can just create a new account on Freecash from a different location like the United States using GoLogin. You'll find the same Chaos Cruiser game offer in your new account, which you can complete again and get paid for completing it. The good thing about using GoLogin is that if you were getting paid less in your country, for example, you were getting paid only $6 for the Chaos Cruiser game, after using GoLogin to create and use a new account from a new location like the United States or the United Kingdom, you'll get paid 5 to 10 times more money for the same offer. On my United Kingdom account, I'm getting paid over $80 for the same Chaos Cruiser game. You just need to make sure that you use a different email ID every time you create a new account on the same website like Freecash. Step number 3. Now, come over to gologin.com again, and I'll show you how you can use GoLogin to create multiple accounts on any website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can click that link to come over to this page and sign up for GoLogin for free. Once you create your account on GoLogin, click the download button at the top right of the GoLogin website, then choose your device. If you're using a smartphone, you can download the GoLogin app from Google Play Store. If you're using a laptop or computer, you can choose the Windows, Linux, or Mac OS download option to install the GoLogin app on your device. Once downloaded, double-click on it, and it will install on your device. After that, log in using the email and password you created when signing up to GoLogin. This is how your dashboard will look. As you can see, I have created 3 Freecash profiles on GoLogin for the USA, United Kingdom, and New Zealand. I use my United Kingdom and USA profiles most of the time to earn money like this. GoLogin is not a VPN, so you're not funneling your connection through a VPN. In fact, you should never use a VPN to sneak into websites because most of the time, VPNs don't work properly and you can easily get caught. Using a VPN is also risky for your personal data, so I won't suggest using it. GoLogin Anti-Detect Browser creates a server for your computer from a different country that makes it look like you're signing in as a new user in a new location. I'll now show you how to use GoLogin to create multiple profiles for free. To create your profile, click the plus icon next to the name or press Add Profile in the top right corner. This will take you to a page where you need to name your profile for your reference, like Free Cash Germany. In the proxy type, you can add your own proxy if you have one, or just use the GoLogin proxy option. Then, select the country you want to create your profile for. I already have US, UK, and New Zealand profiles, so I'll select Germany to show you how to create a profile for Free Cash Germany. Leave everything else as is, and click the right icon to open the advanced settings. Scroll to the bottom and paste the website's URL you want to create a profile for. In this case, it's Free Cash, so I'll paste the Free Cash homepage URL here and click Create Profile. Now, our Free Cash Germany profile is ready. To test if the proxy is working, hit Run, and a new tab will open where you can see the Free Cash Germany profile running. Everything will be in German. For comparison, on my United States profile, I get paid over $300 per offer, but on the Germany profile, it's over $200. This price difference is because advertisers on Free Cash are willing to pay more to US users than users from other countries. But now, with GoLogin, you can maximize your earnings. All you have to do is sign up for a United States or United Kingdom Free Cash profile, and you can start completing the high-paying offers there. This will maximize your earnings, and you can easily earn over $100 a day if you work on multiple profiles. So, don't stop here. As you can see, I use multiple Free Cash profiles to earn over $100 a day, and you can do the same by creating multiple profiles. To create another profile, follow the same steps, or click the three dots next to the proxy you want to copy and click the clone option. You can then change the country proxy to Canada or another country. With GoLogin, you can create and manage multiple accounts on any earning website, affiliate website, or dropshipping website. For example, if ClickBank isn't available in your country, you can use GoLogin to create an account from the United States or the United Kingdom. After that, you can start sharing affiliate links and earning commissions on ClickBank.